Power of attorney versus personal directive. What's the difference? Imagine you are suddenly in a coma or dealing with a memory loss. Who pays your bills? Who decides your medical treatment? In Alberta, you need two different legal documents to answer those questions: a power of attorney and a personal directive. Here's what they do and why you need both. Power of attorney. A power of attorney lets someone manage your financial affairs if you are unable to. They can assess your bank accounts, pay your rent or mortgage, handle taxes, or even sell your home. You decide if it is effective immediately or only when you are mentally incapable. Personal directive. A personal directive is about health and personal care, not money. Your agent makes decisions like choosing doctors or treatments. End of a life care, where you live if you cannot return home, only comes into effect when you are no longer able to make decisions yourself. Why you need both? Without these documents, your family may need to apply to the court for guardianship or trusteeship, an expensive and emotional process. With these tools in place, you stay in control of your life, even when you cannot speak for yourself. Can one person handle both roles? Yes, you can choose the same person or different ones, depending upon their strengths.